check for advanced restart button. It's available. I am using it to boot into recovery. If you don't have that, you can press the volume up button, power button to boot into recovery. Use the latest TWRP recovery as shown in the video and follow the same method. You will never face any problem while flashing any ROMs on Poco X3. As I show, you follow the same method and use the same files and properly download it. You can see here this is a 3.6.2 12.0 TWRP recovery for Poco X3/NFC. It works on both devices. Just follow same thing. Wipe, go to wipe section, select advanced wipe and select Dalvik cache and data. Swipe here to wipe it. Go to home section and select install and select the micro SD card. Wherever you downloaded ROM file, first flash the firmware always. I'm still using 12.5.5.0, that too Surya Global, not Surya in Global or Surya EEA. That you need to keep in mind. That will make huge difference in your performance, battery life, whatever it is. If you're facing any problems also, that's because of firmware only. Go to home section here and select install. Once the firmware is flashed, now go to ROMs and flash this Corvus OS S3.2. Many people waiting for this. Here we go. Finally we got this. It's still an unofficial, maybe you can see here Corvus OS S3.2 Vindicate 27/2022 latest build for Poco X3. It takes a little bit of time to flash the ROM. Wait until it gets flashed. As you can see, the ROM zip file has been flashed successfully. Go to home section, select wipe and select format data and type here YES and press this tick button. Done. Later go to home section and select reboot and select the system. How simple it is. People make it complicated by downloading some other firmware and some other ROM zip file and improperly downloaded ROM zip file, or using some other recovery, outdated recovery. They face a lot more problems. I don't want to face these problems, you guys. Just follow the same method, use the same files. You will be never get any problems. And you can see here it's booting into Corvus OS S3.2. In this video I am going to explaining in detail regarding this particular ROM. Stay tuned till the end of the video. Even the Call of Duty and BGMI gameplays also included. And here we go, it's booted into Corvus OS S3.2. Let's begin this video. Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to my new video. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath's FX YouTube channel, and this is Poco X3/NFC custom ROM reviews. You can see here this is the Corvus OS S3.2 latest version for Poco X3, but just with 5th June 2022. Android version is 12 and the kernel user is 4.14.198. Kernel has been used Saturday, July 2nd build. This is latest one and select status is enforcing. You can see here baseband version and build number. And I have been running the CPU throttling test from last 10 minutes and 6 seconds. You can see here the maximum is 144 and average is 136 and minimum is 113 million GAPS. It's throttled to 91% of its maximum performance. It's quite good. I ran for 10 minutes now. You can see here this is how the performance you get in this particular ROM, especially the CPU throttling test. And you can see here I have installed Apex Legends, Battleground Mobile India, Call of Duty and PUBG New State also. I will be going to show you those gameplays also. Many people requested about Apex Legend and Call of Duty. I have included that. For that, hit that like button down below, and if you're first time to this channel, hit that subscribe button also. Many people watching my videos but not subscribing, have a subscribe, guys. Coming to benchmark results, Antutu benchmark starts like this. The 3,55,607 and temperature rise was just 0.7 degrees Celsius and battery drop was 2% during this Antutu benchmark results, which is good. The scores are not that good, and I waited to make this review of this ROM. I got some app updates in Play Store. After that the performance is really better, so you need to wait sometimes for certain ROMs. I don't say it's for every ROM, but definitely for battery life you need to wait for long period of time, like 1 week or 15 days. Then only the actual battery life of the particular ROM you will be notified. That's how it is. For me it will be recognized within a day because I frequently change the ROMs. That's how it is. Starts with Geekbench scores here. Again already shown the Antutu benchmark. You can say single score is 520 and multi score is 1600. I don't know Geekbench scores why they act like this, and they will be lower in custom ROMs, especially for Poco X3. I don't know that. Linux 4.1, 4.198, Illusion X69R64 is the kernel used here, which is good. Actually, Corvus OS means people think that it's a gaming ROM or anything like that. I just seen their community in Telegram, they were explaining that we are not brought for gaming. This experience should be greater enough, and they are working for customization also, and it's the experience what you get from the ROM is very important. But somehow it has rumored to be as a gaming ROM, but it is still having a very good performance. That's what I can say. What they said, I said, and what I can say is also very good. The experience is also keep on increasing in each and every build. You can say this is the quick settings panel, dark theme, location sync, screen recording. These things are also given here. I am asking people to show screen recording of the BGMI or whatever gameplay, COD, Apex Legends, PUBG News, but people are not replying to that. I will be showing hand cam videos only. It up to you guys. If you reply, I can make screen recorded video. If you don't want that, I will make the screen recorded videos only. If you want, then I can make this hand cam videos. This are the settings, the quick settings. Power menu, you get power off like that, and going into settings, you can see here this are the settings, simple settings. If you swipe like this, you get lot more customization. I will come back here a little bit later. Let me start with the camera application again. You want a very good camera application, I have giving this Gcam port for lot more than 200 people in Instagram. Every day I get DM in Instagram only for this camera application. This is the Arnav build Gcam. You can see here, as you can see, this is the version I am using. And after this, you need to use, most of them misusing this. Go to advanced and select XML config and select XML. Let me go here into Strontium, my SD card, the movies I stored here, Arnav stable. As you can see, this is the XML I am using. Even that also I have given in the Telegram channel, and few of them for Instagram. You can make it out your own XML also. You can see here some more difference will be there, and ultra wide angle is also working fine. Most of the people demand night sight and ultra wide angle support. Those things are given. Just in the video, slow motion or time lapse, those things are not going to work that great. Apart from that, everything is working fine. If you have any other Gcam ports, like some of them were commenting their experience with some other Gcam, I have noted down that. But more and more you guys experience the Gcam ports and you are using, you can comment down guys, such that I can also make a video on that, or some of them may directly use that. That makes difference. Share your experience which are the Gcam you are using. The DRM info, you get level 1 certification. Watching HD resolution is not a problem in this Corvus OS S3.2 version. And even the safety net status you get here, it get passed directly. You can use all the payment applications like PhonePe, Paytm, Google Pay, all the things going to be work fine here in this particular ROM. Without wasting in time, I'll go into settings. It's smooth, definitely as smooth as Cherry OS 3.6. yes, it's smooth only, but it depends guys. Within a day or like that, I have experienced little bit laggy, but today it's great. I'm already making, it's 9:14 p.m. now. From the morning, yesterday I have flashed. From the morning I'm using this ROM, which is good because I want to test this ROM. Some people have negative reaction to this particular ROM, hence I need to test, is there really that negative reaction is great, I mean is there or not, that I want to test it. But to be frank, I haven't noticed. As you can see, this is a game space you get. If you want to add, you can add the game from here. And theming, you can use custom color. There's no option to have dark theme, that I really miss it. I would prefer to have that. And you can see quick settings, customization, lock screen customization, battery style you can choose from here, battery percentage, and toggle colorful battery icon. It depends upon percentage of the battery. If it is more than 60%, it is green. Below that it will be yellow. If it is 30 like that, it will be red in color. Notification You get plenty of customization buttons and navigation bar. Again, you get plenty of customization. In the miscellaneous, this is very important, you need to enable these two options. Very simple, they haven't added plenty of options here. Just enable these two options, you get BGMI 90 fps support and unlimited photo storage in Google Photos. These are the customization available for Corvus OS 3.S3. I have like Geo Gigafiber connection with 100 Mbps plan. It's pulling up to 90 to 95 Mbps with mobile internet connection is also working fine, and there is no problem in earpiece. Casting is also working fine in this ROM. Yes, you heard right. Casting, I mean screen casting is working fine. Bluetooth earphone support is also fine here, and the whatever you say the mobile carrier aggregation, that is also present in this ROM. You can definitely use it as a daily driver, considering it's a very good experience from the Pixel experience, whatever it is. It's similar to Google AOSP custom ROMs only. It's how it is. Let's start with the gameplay. Before that, I will show you the charging animation and basic settings, because some of the people go away after saying gameplay. You can see here, I will cover face. It should show. It is actually using, as you can see, charging rapidly. You can see, I guess. As you can see, charging rapidly, it means you can use it as a daily driver if you want a speed charging or fast charging support. Definitely it's available. And fingerprint unlock, the face unlock, as you can see, it's very quick, very quick. And even the fingerprint unlock is also very quick in this ROM. Just tap, gets unlocked. These are the basic things need people. Those things are working fine, not a big problem here. You can see on basic settings, if you swipe here, app settings, notification, battery settings, you get battery usage here. As you can see, as I said, 1 day 5 hours ago, 16 hours left. I turned off the device in night time. I would have kept turned on, but anyhow, it is how the battery life is fine enough. I said again before also, it takes time for your battery life. And sound settings, you get all the basic settings, clear speaker, me sound enhancer. I mean the direct sound settings is given. Select scene, this is new thing, not a new thing, but it was there in MIUI based ROMs. Now this has been added in the Corvus OS. This is a little bit newer in Corvus OS as my experience. And clear speaker, you get option haptic feedback strength also, you can adjust from here. Touch vibration, haptic feedback, all the options are working fine. In the display, you get adaptive brightness, extra dim, lock screen timeout, basic things like colors also you can keep boosted, saturated, and RGB strength also you can adjust from here. Minimum, maximum refresh rate, let me keep into 120 again. Whenever you restart the smartphone, it go back to 60 or sometimes even 120 also, that you need to keep in mind. Ambient display, display color calibration, full screen apps, whichever app is not playing in the full screen, you can make it out. LCD features, and again this I keep on telling, but people use it again and again and they make their smartphone heat. As you can see, you need not to turn this on or keep it higher and play BGMI like game, then you will definitely face warmness. Not just warm, it will get overheated, that you need to keep in mind. Whatever the purpose given for that, you can utilize that for the same. Dark theme it's given, let me apply and show you. It's not in pitch dark condition. That is the only complaint made me to go out of this ROM, because if I use in dark mode, I need pitch black condition. That's not available here. Privacy settings, you get all the basic settings, camera access, microphone access. If you want, you can enable or disable from here. Password and accounts, Google system settings, let me go into system settings. You get gestures, the developer options is also turned on, you can turn off or you can customize some of the things. Gesture, system navigation, you get option to increase the pill length, and by default it's visible little bit, it's embedded in the screen, but it shouldn't be there. That's how it is. At least they should give to increase the option. 100 mode, swipe to screenshot, all the basic Android all settings are available. Security, as I said before, face unlock and fingerprint unlock is available. Encryption and credentials, obviously it's an encrypted ROM. App lock is also pre-installed, no need to install any third party application. I will start the games one by one. BGMI followed by Call of Duty and Apex Legends and New State. Stay tuned. You can see here the graphics is set to smooth plus 90 fps. I'll be getting in the boot camp. Let's see. And yes, what they said in the community is really good and very good statement. This is not the gaming ROM. They want to give good experience of Android and customization. That I really agree with that. The gameplay is also fine. They also told that the performance is good, but also keep in mind that Snapdragon 732G will never become 800 series. They also said this. I just remember that. Yes, of course, I have been keep on telling about these things, but you guys don't listen that. And I will make videos definitely for your satisfaction only. If you use this particular ROM by seeing my video, you should get at least 90% of its actual. I'll lower the sound here, it's too loud for me at least. How the audio captured in my channel, that I don't know, but it's loud. If you guys can comment, I can improve that. I mean your audibility on gameplay. Yes, camping here. And I really don't know how to play the Apex Legend. At least this game I played a year ago. I do remember still the guns and how to play places, everything. I really don't know Apex Legends. Someone is requesting again and again, hence I thought what could happen if I add 2 more minutes of new game. That would not be bothering for me. Just you need to satisfy with my video that this particular ROM is good for me or not, or good for you or not. Okay, he was hiding here. I'll come back again. Here we go. This is the Apex Legend games, Corvus OS only. I really don't know. You can see little bit lag is noticed. Not little bit. Too much lag here. How to play, I really don't know. I don't have any guns. The game is choppy, I don't know, because of that people complaining which is the best ROM for Apex Legends. Sorry guys, I really don't know. This is really annoying. If I go somewhere, it will show the lag. Hope so you got an idea in this ROM how it handles. I'll come back here because I need to show some more games also. Now Call of Duty. And this is Call of Duty game. Into settings you can see the graphics. I'll keep it to low and FPS up to ultra. And where to save this? Maybe it's set to that. Back here again, let me check out before landing. Graphics, okay, it's set. Here it's fine, but in Apex Legends it was completely unplayable. And this is new mode. I don't remember anything about Call of Duty. I played long back ago, like classic matches. But this is also a very good game, well optimized compared to any other battle royale games. Yes, I can understand most of the fans are for BGMI PUBG Mobile, but guys, trust me, this is very good game. Just we had initial game as a BGMI or PUBG Mobile, hence we don't moving to any other games. As you can see, this is actually well optimized game. You'll never face any lag while enemies around you. that's my conclusion, is like app compatibility. The game compatibility is also very important. With every update it is also going to be changed. The game update I am speaking, not just the smartphone update. I'll come back here. I hope you guys got an idea about this Corvus OS S3.2. If you are looking for a core gaming ROM, with nothing core or anything like that, you won't get any drastic difference, but a little bit better overall balanced gameplay means for this month, June, still this July starting, June month is Abi X ROG edition. I will give you a card here, you can check out. That's very good gaming ROM and very good battery life. Means yesterday I made a video Spark OS, most of them haven't seen that. If you want a very good battery life and charging speed, go and watch that video. And overall performance, basic ROM means Arrow OS, Fans, and Upfest OS, Descendant OS, and this one Corvus OS. You can definitely try it out as a daily driver, no problem. According to me, this is the verdict of this Corvus OS. I hope explained everything. Yeah, just forget to show this dialer. I will show you. App opening taking a little bit of time. As you can see, you get direct video call feature. Let me dial and see. You also get call recording feature. This how it is, and this all the very smooth. This interface is also slight lag I noticed, but still it's very smooth compared to Rice Droid. This is also as similar as that ROM, and it is rebooted, reloaded. This is also reloaded. RAM management is also going to be fine here, not great, and the battery life could be better if you use it for a long time, and it depends upon your usage pattern. And automatic brightness sensor is also working fine, no problem regarding that too. That's all guys in this video. Thank you for watching. We'll meet you with another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.